up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably like, Twilly, where's your hair? But we are here live at Hidden Beauty in Miami, Florida, where I get my hair done. I literally filmed this video probably like 102 times. Like the first 2 times it got deleted. The next couple of times I just didn't like it. It just didn't feel like me. I felt like I was rushing it. So, and I'm such a perfectionist that I want all my videos to look really good. So today I thought, like, what better way than to bring you to my hair appointment. You know, Super Bowl is in Miami, so all of my followers and listeners and subscribers, if you are coming down to Super Bowl and you need that hair done, hit up my stylist. Her name is Ashley. She's amazing. She's not in here right now, but when she gets back, we'll have her on camera. You always ask me what hair am I wearing in my videos, and I am going to thoroughly give you a good breakdown, especially from the lady who installs it for me. We're nothing but Supa Fly hair company. It was started by 3 young ladies in Alabama, Dominique, Monique, and Rosalyn, and they have bundles, they make units, and since day one I have been a huge fan of their units. I have the tight curly one, I have the loose kind of curly one, I have like a straight wig, and I have side part kind of like loose wave wig. But yeah, so I love them. My stylist is gonna tell you like all the good specs about them because I don't know anything about it. I just know like good companies and things like that. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you a good honest review. So all wigs that are being featured in this video are from my own personal coinage. Like me, I use my own coins for them. They're really good, and give you a little hints of what wigs you should be rocking in 2020. I feel like everyone's gonna glow up in 2020. 2020 is going to be a good year, so I'm here to help you, to give you your best look and help you feel good about it too. All right, world, this is what you gotta focus. We focus now. Yay!
Hey, my world.
Yes, meet my amazing stylist. That's Ashley. Like, y'all can say y'all knew her when, because she's about to blow up. I'm telling you, 2020 is a year of change. I feel it.
Yeah, I can feel it in the air.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how she does all her magic to make me look and feel pretty, and tell me why she likes the hair, and then whatever else she wants to tell you guys about. So
okay, let's go on a hair journey. Let's do like some hair things. I'm ready.
My amazing stylist like turned me into like, you know, IG model real quick. This was a 5x5 closure, and I got this because I could party either way. Well, not even me, she's gonna party either way. But and it has combs in the back and an elastic band, which is perfect. Ashley, was it easy to style, and is it like a good wig and good purchase and stuff like that?
Definitely, it was easy to style. Like, I don't know how to explain it in like good words, but you know, sometimes you feel some hair and you're running your fingers through it and it feels empty. Like, I don't really know how else to describe it, like when hair feels empty. And hair that feels like that doesn't curl really well, but this hair definitely had like some like substance to it. I don't know, I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. It's hair that, like, you know that you'd be able to style, to curl it, to flat iron it, still be super duper pretty. And then also, I enjoy the size of the closure, and I'm happy that this company offers closures that are this size. You're able to do the middle part and both side parts if you want to, you know, so that's always a plus. Definitely was an easy wig to style.
Yay!
I enjoy.
Thanks. So she approved it. It's good.
Actually, you can be approved.
Of course. I'm gonna link all her information below. I feel like if my stylist approves it, then it's approved for everybody. They are delivered by the United States Postal Service, and they each come in this pink bag, and it also has a hairnet on it, but I threw the hairnet away because I don't keep them in a hairnet. I keep all my wigs, I keep them in a satin bonnet cap, and then I put them back in the bag and I put them in a drawer, and I just pull out which one I want to wear that day. And then they're easy this way to travel with, to throw in your suitcase, because also, you know, this is a travel channel, so I'm trying to give you travel tips, travel hacks. And they also come with the card, and it says like, thank you for purchasing a Supa Fly wig. We hope you enjoy it. Then on the other side, there's hair tips to keep your hair healthy and beautiful and long lasting, because they're not cheap. They're cheaper than other companies, but it's still like not cheap. But if you follow these tips, Like I have a feeling this wig is gonna last me some years. Like seriously, it's that good. It comes with a smaller card, so it comes with all of their social media handles on the back, so you can follow them. I'm gonna put all of that in the description box below. Start off with this beautiful ready to ship wig. So they have some wigs where they dye them and they're beautiful. And what I love about this company too, so the girls will wear the wigs themselves and test out their own product to make sure like it works, and not yours specifically, but like just sample, and like I said, to make sure that the product that they're giving out and representing is good. This wig was a ready to ship wig. Like I said, they had made it, they dyed it, did all that fun stuff. And this wig was different from all my other ones because this is a frontal, so it goes all the way across the front part. And this one was different as well. Each wig comes with a comb in the back right here, and then they each come with a strap like this. Now this wig is different because it has an adjustable strap right here, and all the other ones don't, but it still worked out. It was ready to ship, so I didn't get to pick the links or anything like that. It was just already in stock, and you just order it and they shipped it directly to you. And this is their like deep curly hair, like especially living in Miami, this is like the perfect hair for this type of weather. But yeah, so this wig was ready to ship, so it wasn't custom to me. So like the lengths are shorter. I think this is a 14, 16, 18, what she told me. And I like to order mine, you know, you see, long. But yeah, but it still worked out for me. It was beautifully done. I took it to my stylist. I like this wig. I always get like a lot of compliments on it, and it's very full. Like I just love it. It doesn't get tangled easily, which I love about curly hair, because most curly hair is a hot mess after a while, and this one, it's like holding up. Wig, it's really nice, and I like it. So the next wig I got, I think it's called, I don't know, but I'm gonna look it up. It's like a longer curly one. Now this one was custom to me, and what I put in specifically I wanted for this wig. So I have a 5x5 closure, as you see here, and it comes with a strap again, except for this one, it's not adjustable. And then it has the comb in the back. And this wig, like I said, was custom to me. This wig, I know it probably looks frizzy. She's been tossed around. Now I will say about this hair, this particular wig, it survived my family vacation. We went to the beach, and me and my cousins went body surfing, and those waves were not simple, and they were throwing me around every which way, and this little sucker was secured to my head. Like I even texted him, I said, hey, this hair survived vacation, so y'all have a really good product. I wore it straight in black. I'm gonna insert a picture here. I wore it straight in black for the first couple of months. So I got this like in July. And then when A&M homecoming came, I wanted to spice it up and do different. So Ashley dyed it, and we dyed it like a brown color, and it came out beautiful. And you guys, no shedding, no problems, no like, you know how when you dye like extensions, they may like mess with the quality of it. You got, y'all, this thing is still amazing. I can still run my fingers through it. It is just awesome. It's a little dusty now. Like I said, I've been traveling, but I know I can easily revamp it, or if I really want to get like super fresh, I can send it to Ashley. Y'all, this is some good hair. And mind you, I used to never wear wigs. I was just like, oh, like you can kind of tell it's a wig. But when I wear theirs, it's literally like melted, and I get so many compliments from guys, girls, gay, straight, pan, trans, whatever. I literally went out last night, and this girl was like, oh my God, I love your hair. And then we were walking, and then a drag queen loved my hair. Now listen, if you get a compliment from a drag queen, you done made it to me. So I was like, okay, this is top quality. I'm never going anywhere else. So if you're big into sports like me, like national football championship and college is coming up, Super Bowl's coming up, And, I mean, it's already NBA season, college basketball season, whatever the case may be, engagement photos, wedding, graduation, just cause, like, yeah, this is the hair for you. Like I said, I have 4 of my own coin, like my own coinage. Not steering you wrong, not at all. It's not a pay. And that wig survived me in the ocean, and I was getting flipped over and over and over and over and over and over like that. I was like, oh, this is the Mecca. Like, if you have any questions about this hair, please comment down below. Again, I'm gonna have Dominique, Monique, Rosalyn, all their information in the description box. I'm gonna have Hella Fly Hair Company in the description box. And yeah, oh, and they sell more than just wigs. They even sell bundles. They have the blonde bundles, regular bundles, all that and more. So if you don't want to wear a wig like me and you just want to like a half up, half down with bundles, they got bundles, and they really have some good deals on them. Like really good. So like I said, if you want to invest in some top quality hair, top quality product, top quality company, like amazing customer service, amazing Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, you know, following, and they're right there constantly posting their product and different girls wearing it, and no one made a YouTube video about it yet, so I'm the first. Woo! If you have any more questions, like I said, ask me. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That's MissESPN34. I will have answered any questions that you may need. And as always, I thank you so much for watching. You are an amazing blessing, and I hope this video sends you positive and amazing vibes your way. All right, peace.